Hi guys, bit of a random one here. An onion that turned up in our front garden. No idea where it came from. My only guess is possibly one of the animals, fox, cat, rat, whatever, may have carried it into our garden to try eating it and decided they didn't like it and left it. Or alternatively, one of the local youths may have thought it was funny to throw it around, but that's being cynical. I reckon it might have been just one of the rodents, decided they didn't like it, picked it up somewhere and left it. Anyway, I thought I might as well make use of it because I'm like that. We'll make or see if it'll work as a battery. I've got a copper plate there and I've got my magnesium strip there. Although what I'm going to do is use that little bit, which is one that's been eaten away in one of my existing batteries, but that'll be long enough. I'll put it in there and clamp it down, and that spike will be long enough just to go in the top of there and see if it works. If it gets eaten away, I can put a fresh one in there later. And then for the clock, this one is the one that was playing up. Now, since it was playing up, I replaced it with another one for the clock that was running and ran it off a AA battery for a while. And it seems to work okay. Initially, it depended on how you looked at it. It obviously wasn't getting full voltage into it. So I've had another look at it and found that the copper wires, the positive one, was one of those ones where it's copper plated steel or something, and the copper had been eaten away. So it wasn't making a good solder connection. So I've replaced it. I've replaced it with one of my JST leads because that's convenient, because then I can plug it into one of my test circuits. So what we're going to do is clean up that little bit of magnesium, stick it into there, plug that into there, and then stick it in the onion and see if it works. So first thing I'll do is just clean the surface of this one a bit. This is one out of the syrup battery that I've been running. So it's sticky. Got a bit of shiny magnesium shining through there. So I'll stick that in there. Okay. Plug that one into there. The right way round would help. Okay. Can we see that? Yes. Stick that one in there. That should be sharp enough to go in. Yep. And then stick that one in there. And there we go. We have an onion battery. So I'll stick that one in the window ledge. Yeah. As you saw, that's only a short bit of magnesium there. I expect that'll get eaten away and I'll have to replace it. I'll have to replace my magnesium strip at some time. We're down to about half of the original coil, but that has lasted me for many years. Anyway, yeah, that's it. We have an onion battery. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.